So I got this call. Are you pooping? No. So I just got a call that I had to come down here to the coal facility, Coal A, and there's a crate here for me. I'm actually by the horse barn. That's where the coal facility is. Anyway, I normally don't get a lot of crates or gifts, let alone something that has to be large enough stored right here in the coal facility. I guess we're gonna go check it out and see what it is, and if I need to get any tools or something like that. I see a crate right in the door. I don't know if you can see it in this video. There it is. That's a pretty big crate. Let's open this gate here. And it looks like there's another crate there. Let's go in and see. Okay, here we go. Here we go. That's gotta be my crate. So that's my crate. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some tools. Got a drill and a drill charger just in case I didn't charge my batteries. But in the meantime, I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna put you on a tripod if I can find one. And okay, so right away, there's some presents in here. What do we have? We have JoJo's jerky. I've got triple threat beef jerky. I have JoJo's jerky Las Vegas teriyaki beef jerky. I have pepper beef jerky, bacon barbecue beef jerky, carne asada beef jerky. You know, I don't eat a lot of meat, but I think I'm gonna have to eat this one. Oh, sriracha bacon, bacon jerky. I guess the other one was bacon jerky. Oh man. Carloca spicy carne asada beef jerky. So I'm gonna have to eat that. Anyway, I have a feeling I know what's in here. Basically, all I saw was a big silver box. All right, any guesses yet? I think I know what this is. Okay, well, this is a Harvest Saver commercial food dehydrator. So billions of dollars of seafood are thrown away every single year. And so one of the things that we're looking at is how do we preserve it? How can we increase our shelf life? How do we reduce bacterial contamination to make sure that when we're putting all this effort into growing healthy, sustainable food, it doesn't go to waste. So obviously this is a gift from one of my collaborators. They didn't tell me who, it's no card in there, so I don't know who it's from. Maybe there's more stuff inside the dehydrator, so let's go see what's in there. I haven't looked yet, so let's find out. I'm hoping there's more jerky, to be completely honest. Okay, so we're jerky, a whole bunch of stainless steel racks. So that's pretty good. I like that. Stainless steel is nice for cooking. Obviously, it's food safe, cleans easy. I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna put that thing together. I'm not gonna do it on video. We're not in a hurry. Anyway, thank you to JoJo's Jerky for some excellent snacks. Spicy carne asada, beef jerky. So, premium cuts of sirloin steak. This is not a commercial for JoJo's Jerky, but thank you very much.